Today I'd like to show you the proper way to insert foam ear defenders into your ear holes, because apparently most people get it wrong. It's literally a piece of foam. How f***ing hard can it be? Alright, step 1. Take the earplug and gently roll it between your thumb and finger to compress it into a thin, smooth cylinder. The key is to make it nice and narrow without any creases. Step 2 is to pull your ear up and back with your opposite hand. You'll look a bit weird, but it's important as it straightens your ear canal for proper insertion. Step 3, get it in there, son. With your ear still pulled back, slide the rolled earplug into your ear canal. Push it gently, but far enough in so most of the plug is inside. Step 4, hold it in place for 10 to 15 seconds. This will allow the plug to expand and form a proper seal. You'll know it's working because you'll suddenly stop hearing Steve complain about how Derby County lost again at the weekend. And that's it. If you've done it right, your ear protection should feel snug but not uncomfortable. It's worth inserting them correctly because they really can protect your ears from permanent damage, especially if you're working with noise machinery or if your co-workers are Derby County fans. Cheers for watching, stay safe, stay sound.